Life often presents us with unexpected challenges and obstacles that can test our strength and determination. During these difficult moments, it is natural to feel overwhelmed or uncertain. However, resilience plays a crucial role in helping us navigate adversity and emerge stronger. By adapting to change and maintaining hope, we can find ways to overcome setbacks and continue moving forward. The ability to persevere through hardship is an essential part of personal growth and well-being. Throughout their journey, this individual encountered numerous obstacles that tested both their resolve and spirit. Each setback seemed more daunting than the last, often leaving them questioning their abilities and the path they had chosen. Moments of doubt crept in, making it difficult to see a way forward. Despite these challenges, their story is marked by perseverance in the face of adversity, revealing the depth of their determination. Their struggles serve as a powerful reminder of the resilience that can emerge when hope seems lost. At their lowest moment, the individual faced challenges that seemed insurmountable. Yet, it was during this time of adversity that they discovered a well of inner strength they never knew existed. Support from loved ones and unexpected sources provided encouragement and hope. Drawing inspiration from their own resilience and the belief of those around them, they found the courage to keep moving forward. This turning point marked the beginning of a renewed determination to overcome every obstacle in their path. The story highlights the importance of persistence, showing that determination can help overcome even the most challenging obstacles. It also emphasizes the power of hope, reminding us that believing in a better outcome can provide strength during difficult times. Maintaining a positive outlook, as demonstrated by the characters, not only uplifts the spirit, but also inspires those around us. Together, these lessons encourage us to keep moving forward, no matter what challenges we face. As we reach the end of this story, let its message stay with you during difficult times. Remember that challenges are a part of life, but resilience gives us the strength to overcome them. Each obstacle faced is an opportunity to grow and discover inner courage. Whenever you feel discouraged, think back to this story and trust in your ability to persevere. The power to rise above adversity lies within you.